Hey everyone, welcome back to Technify. Today, we've got something that's got the entire drone and camera world buzzing with excitement. A fresh leak of what's rumored to be the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has surfaced, and it's already igniting conversations everywhere. Now, this isn't just your average hardware refresh or a slight design update. This could be one of the biggest leaps forward we've seen in compact filmmaking gear in years. The Osmo Pocket line has always been about giving creators powerful tools in a body small enough to fit in your pocket, and from the looks of this latest prototype, DJI may be taking that philosophy to a whole new level. The leaked photo shows a design that feels more refined, more futuristic, and packed with potential features that could make everyday shooting feel cinematic. If you're someone who loves capturing content on the move, whether it's vlogging, travel adventures, or full-on creative projects, this leak might just be the sneak peek at your next favorite camera. Let's break down what makes this rumored Pocket 4 so exciting. The very first prototype we saw teased the Pocket 4 branding but kept the actual camera module hidden, leaving fans guessing. The new leak, however, flips everything around. This time the branding is gone, but what we do see is a bold new camera design. Two distinct modules dominate the head, a smaller sensor on the left and a larger lens on the right. This isn't about old-fashioned dual vision. It looks like a smart asymmetrical setup designed to bring depth awareness, more intelligent subject tracking, and new creative tools that we've never seen in a handheld gimbal camera. What's even more exciting is how finished this prototype looks. DJI's early builds usually have rough edges, visible wiring, or clunky housings, but this one appears nearly production-ready. Sleek, streamlined, and slimmer than the Pocket 3, it signals that DJI is doubling down on portability without compromising professional power. That smaller side module in particular is sparking a lot of speculation. If it's a depth sensor, it could open up a whole new world of features like advanced focusing, 3D mapping, and enhanced subject recognition, similar to how DJI's drones use multiple cameras for smart flight functions. Another headline feature is the display. The Pocket 4 is rumored to include a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, an upgrade from the Pocket 3's 2-inch fixed display. With a resolution of 480 by 800 and brightness up to 800 nits, it would allow creators to see their framing more clearly, even under harsh sunlight. Pair that with an ergonomic grip and a redesigned button layout, and it looks like DJI is focused on making the device more comfortable to use during long shoots. On the imaging front, leaks suggest the Pocket 4 will feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 20mm f/2.0 lens. That setup could mean sharper detail, richer color, and stronger low-light performance. With an ISO range reaching up to 6,400 for video, plus support for 10-bit color depth, HDR recording, and D-Log-M, creators would have all the flexibility they need for serious post-production work. Autofocus is also rumored to take a huge leap forward with phase detection and eye-tracking autofocus, which could finally put an end to focus hunting during dynamic shots. Add in Active Track 7.0, and you're looking at smooth, intelligent subject tracking like never before. Of course, stabilization has always been the signature of the Pocket series, and DJI seems ready to raise the bar yet again. By combining mechanical gimbal stabilization with advanced electronic algorithms, the Pocket 4 could deliver ultra-smooth footage even during fast, unpredictable movement. On top of that, creators might get access to 4K recording at 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of the Pocket 3 and opening the door for more cinematic storytelling. Altogether, these rumored upgrades point to a device that doesn't just improve on the past but reimagines what's possible in a pocket-sized filmmaking tool. From the futuristic dual camera design to the enhanced display, powerful sensor, smarter autofocus, and next-level stabilization, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could be one of the most exciting creative devices of the year. So where does that leave us? If these leaks hold true, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 isn't shaping up to be just a step forward. It looks like a giant leap for handheld filmmaking. The combination of a redesigned dual camera system, a larger rotating display, a powerful 1-inch sensor, and smarter autofocus features paints the picture of a device that could completely redefine the compact camera category. But what really makes this leak fascinating is how balanced the Pocket 4 seems to be. On one hand, it's slim, portable, and easy to carry. Perfect for vloggers, travelers, and everyday creators. On the other, it's packed with pro-level tools like 10-bit HDR recording, advanced stabilization, and 4K slow motion at 240 frames per second. Features that even seasoned filmmakers will find compelling. The addition of depth-aware tracking and AI-driven focus could be the game-changing features that set this camera apart. It's not just about stabilization anymore. It's about intelligence, adaptability, and creative freedom. Here at Technify, we'll be watching every leak and update closely. The Pocket 4 could be the beginning of a new era in portable filmmaking, and we can't wait to see what DJI officially unveils. Stay tuned. This one could truly change the way we tell our stories.